Fierce criticism has erupted within ZANU-PF as allies of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga dismissed Jacob Mudenda's authority as Secretary General, branding him nothing more than a token. Appointee is told by President Mnangagwa to weaken his deputy. Zanabina Masho kubuda pangwa inojinzi Mudenda sees red as ZANU-PF infighting intensifies. Not for subscribe or like on the bell icon. Jibina mnamubda ni kwa mchizi. ZANU-PF on Monday tried to present a united front after its policy and coordinating meeting, releasing a statement that read, the ZANU-PF policy and coordinating meeting was held on Monday at ZANU-PF headquarters, chaired by the Secretary General Advocate Jacob Mudenda. The key highlights were internal administrative issues, discussions and deliberations on the state of preparedness on the upcoming 22nd Annual People's Conference in Mutare. But the official statement was immediately undermined by sharp criticism from Chiwenga loyalists. Mudenda is not running the party. He is simply a figure in the chair, put there to undermine the vice president. Everyone in ZANU-PF knows this, said one senior official aligned to the military faction. Mudenda replaced Obet Mpofu in what insiders described as a direct move by Mnangagwa and his allies, including Uganda, to chip away at Chiwenga's influence. The Secretary General's post has been turned into a weapon of factional politics. Mudenda is a token, not a leader. Chiwenga's influence cannot be erased by reshuffling offices, fueled another official. Analysts warn the strategy could boomerang. You cannot erase the men who fronted the 2017 military intervention that brought the regime to power. Mudenda has no grassroots support and his role is merely symbolic. This exposes the fractures in ZANU-PF's leadership, one commentator observed. As preparations continue for the party's 22nd Annual People's Conference in Mutare, ZANU-PF faces growing disunity. Mnangagwa's attempts to clip Chiwenga's wings through Mudenda's appointment may instead deepen the fault lines, threatening to tear the party apart from within. Do mashoka ripo pangwa ine naskun konse aiwa Chiwenga pangwa ine aiwa arnyasku wana support vanhu vese vari muzano vari kunyaskuona kuti aiwa Chiwenga ndiye ane future. Zvezvigananda izvi mangwana zvirumuka zvakapera. Tinai comment section medu dzamafunguro enyu matudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chito on the bell icon.